My name is Dr. Adam Saucedo. I'm a physician or medical doctor, and I've had a very strong interest in nutrition for all of my professional career. And in fact, in the year 2004, I opened the doors to the largest eating disorders facility in the world. And it was this unrivaled opportunity to study human nutrition and its effects on the human body that really got me engaged in using nutrition for health. My belief is that we can take nutrition and we can avoid the use of powerful medications and the use of therapeutics if we can just keep our nutrition well balanced. Today we're going to talk about a remarkable herb that is one of the most expensive herbs on earth and has some of the most active pharmacological effects known. Korean red ginseng comes from the family of Asian ginsengs, and the active form of the plant comes from its root. The root itself has been compared historically to the human form, and if you compare it to a human, that similarity becomes very apparent. But we've taken this wonderful herb and we have applied it to our new technology in Xpress. It has been reported that Korean red ginseng has over 200 substances that have been isolated from it. And it is the active forms that we're looking at. And these active forms are called ginsenosides, or triterpene saponins. And it is these triterpene saponins, or ginsenosides, that have been shown in literature and in medical studies to have very active pharmacological effects. Korean red ginseng is prepared in a very special way. First it's steamed and then it's dried, and it is this process of heating and then cooling that literally changes the chemical structure of the Korean ginseng, making it active. The Latin name for ginseng is panax, which means cure-all. And as you study the Western medical literature, it becomes very apparent why this name, panax, is being used. Because as we study ginseng, we find that it has an amazingly broad, amazingly diverse pharmacological and medical application. And this is what's exciting about ginseng. The widespread pharmacological effects of Korean red ginseng touch on many different medical conditions. They include pain relief, anti-cancer effects, anti-stress effects, even sexual function is shown in the medical literature to be affected by the active components of ginseng. It is this remarkable plant that sits at the heart of a new product, PowerStrips by Xpress. Over the coming weeks and months, we will be exploring this remarkable new product and looking at all of the positive effects that it can have on our health. And these presentations will be made available to you.